Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new student result portal. And I have developed this project in PHP and MySQL. The version for the PHP I'm using is the PHP version 7 and the MySQL version is 5.6. And I'm running this project on the JAM server. But if you have the WAMP server or other PHP server, then you can configure and run this project on those server also. Also, if you are using the Linux operating system, then you can use the LAMP stack for configuring this project. And if you are using the Mac operating system, then you can use the MAPS stack for running this project, right? So this is a web project. So for front-end development, I'm using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also have used, like for form validations, calendar integrations. For all these things, I have used the jQuery plugins, right? So let's start with the project functionalities. One more thing I want to share you. This is the Bootstrap theme, and I have integrated two types of UI here. One is for the admin, and second is for the student and the teacher, right? So I will explain each and everything. So let's start. So this is the home page of the project. You can see this is a simple home page, and this is a Bootstrap theme, right? So this is home page. Second one is the about us. This is about project, and it's a static content. There is nothing dynamic in this page. This is a contact us, and this means you can say this Google Map is coming from the means internet. If you don't have the internet connection, then this Google Map will not render, right? So you can see this is the real Google Map and it's working fine. This is a teacher login. So there are three types of login here: teacher login, student login, and the admin login. So teacher login, so teacher can log in with the user ID teacher and password is test. So once teacher login, then you can see teacher can perform these operations, right? So also these menus are available here also, you can see. And after login of the teacher, you can see the above menu has some of the administration option, but if you log out, then administration menu will not be displayed, right? So if you log in, then administration menu will be displayed, right? So let me go through one by one. So this is the add class, and you can see this is the jQuery validation, by which you will not be able to enter the means you will not be able to submit the form without entering the value inside this, right? So this is the add class. The second one is the add marks. From here you will be able to add the marks. So these all drop downs values are coming from the database. There is nothing worry about it, that how do you want to change. Then you can change it from the MySQL, and those values will be updated or added here. So this is the select exam type, select exams, and then after that the value of the student, roll number, semester, subject, written marks, practical marks, and descriptions, right? So after choosing this, once you submit it, then those marks will be saved into the database, and after that student can check their marks on their portal, right? So this is the add class, already explained you. This is the add marks. This is the report. So class report, all of the classes which has been added by the admin or the teachers will be displayed here. Even admin can edit and update the details from here also. And this is student search result. Here teacher can search the result of the students. Even students can also search their results. I will show you the student and dashboard. So here, right, final year, and after that the roll number. So I am entering the roll number of the student, and you can see. I think the means you can the report is showing here. You can see after submitting it. I think the report is displaying on the different page. That's why you are not able to see it. But if you search the result, then the report means result will be displayed on the different page, right? That's why it's not displaying here, but it will work perfectly, right? You need to select the exam and after the roll number, right, and search the result, right? This is the report, class report, search engine, and student reports. So you can see this is the student report. All of the students which admin has added will be displayed here, right? This is the my account section, from where you will be able to update your account. Miss teacher will be able to update his account details, right? And this is the logout. So once logout, then teacher will be not be able to see the administration options, right? Next is the student login. So the student is credential is a student and the password is test. So once the students login, then there are two options: logout and the search result. One, He click on the search result, then again he will select the exam type, and after that the roll number, right? So once you search the result, then the result will open on the separate page, right? So result will open on the separate page, right? And it will show you overall the marks, right? So these are the, you can say, the functionality of the student and the teacher. So next one is the admin. So for admin, the URL is admin, right? So let me log out first. So for login, if you log in with the admin credential, you need to add the admin in the URL. Admin means what's in the URL, and after that it will show you the separate login page from where you will be able to log in as an admin, and this admin can perform, right? So admin can see the subject report, right? So these are the subjects, you can see, edit and update the subjects. These are the class reports, even you can edit and update the subject here, right? This is a class report from where you will be able to edit all of the class and submit it, right? Again, the departments report, all of the computer science departments and the all of the departments. This is a school year, what is the year, and you can edit and delete records from here. This is students, all of the student details, and if you want to add the student, just click on the add student, you will be able to add the student details here. This is a user, from where you will be able to add the admin user, right? This is a level, faculty, professor, or super admin, right? Next one is the user report, from where you will be able to see all of the user reports. And then use log report means all of the logs, means when the admin has login or logout, right? Then that this is the logout. So once you log out, then the internal admin menu options will not be displayed, right? So these all things I have developed inside this project student result portal. And as I told you earlier, this is a major project, and here you will get three types of login levels. The first one is a student, which has limited rights. The second one is a teacher, which has some extra rights than students, and admin has a super admin, right? Admin has super rights, right? All of the rights, right? So these three types of I have integrated in this project. And there are two types of UI, user interface integrated, means there is separate UI for the student and there is separate UI for the admin, right? So this is a major project. And as I told you earlier, I have developed in PHP 7 and MySQL, right? So if you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to our requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.